So hello students, so in this particular lecture we will discuss about the integrator circuit by using operational amplifier. So what kind of circuit is this? Because its name suggests you the integrator. So if you are not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe the channel. So you are getting the latest update of each and every video which I have uploaded on my YouTube channel on a regular basis for that one. So just a minute, I will tune to you. Yeah. So basically, integrated circuit is will give you the whatever the input you are giving, the integration of that it will give. So the circuit how it is designed, developed. So we'll see this thing. So the circuit is like this one. So I will just take the pen and I will explain the things. Okay. So as far as the circuit is concerned, so normally in the feedback network we are seeing this resistor as R. This resistor, this R, but that is replaced by one capacitor that is given by C. Here, normally in the feedback you will find the resistor, but instead of resistor, if you are replacing with the capacitor, the overall output is nothing but the output across this capacitor. So output is nothing but the output across this capacitor. So the output here, if I am taking the output is nothing but, so what is the output? So if I'm seeing this RC network over there, so the RC, the output across this one is nothing but V out is equal to minus of 1 divided by R. So this R in over here, okay, R in into C is this one, RC integration 0 to T V in of dt over there, V in of dt over there. So you are getting the output like this one itself, like this one itself we are getting output like this one. So this is my output. From this, if I'm taking the everything in between, then we will get V in bracket dt. That is this is the simple one. Okay, that is nothing but 1 divided by RC into integration of V in. So whatever the value of V in, that is integrated over time 0 to t with respect to this R and C component, with respect to R and C component. Suppose the product of this R and C is 1, so I will get minus of integration V in of dt for 0 to t itself. So this is overall. So this is ideal comparator, ideal integrated circuit. So the V out is nothing but minus of j omega RC into V in. If I am taking the integration of this one, I will get the this thing that is nothing but in 1 divided by in bracket 1 divided by j omega RC into V. Okay, they are getting this one. So that is nothing but output is nothing but the minus V in of S. That is the percentage of SRC. That is nothing but the RC component volt. There, the gain is nothing but what you can say. We are nothing but gain is nothing but V out into V out divided by V in. That is nothing but my gain. That is nothing but my gain. So from this thing, if I am shifting my in to this side, so what will get? That is nothing but the V out divided by V in is equal to SRC, and this SRC is given by minus j omega RC, minus j omega RC. From this, if I am taking the magnitude of A, from the magnitude of A, then A is nothing but amplitude is nothing but 1 divided by omega RC is equal to, that is nothing but the omega divided by omega A, where omega A, this omega A is nothing but 1 divided by CR. From this, if I am putting the value of this omega CR is omega A, so I will get if I am taking this thing overall thing as omega A, so I will get omega divided by omega A is nothing but my amplitude of this circuit itself. So the next thing, so integrator will work as, this is the very important thing, integrator will work as the low pass filter. It is passing the low pass signal. So what exactly mean by low pass signal? Suppose if we are having the signals from 0 to 50 hertz. Okay. So this is the signal 0 to 50. So it will pass the signal from 0 to 50, and above that it will stop the signal. What you can say, it will attenuate the signal. So this is my pass band, and this is nothing but my stop band. So here this signal will get attenuated. What you can say, it will get attenuated. The signal is passed between 0 to 50 hertz itself. 0 to 50 hertz. Above the 0 to 50 to above hertz, that is nothing but my stop band is there. So this kind of circuit is nothing but what it will be called as what low pass filter. The high pass filter is what it will pass signal that is nothing but from the frequency that is 50. For example, from this frequency above, and from 0 to this it will stop. This is nothing but my attenuation over there, and from this to up to infinity it will pass. That is nothing but my high pass filter. What you can say, high pass filter. And the frequency at which this filter start to pass or start to attenuate is called as critical frequency. That is nothing but the omega c. Critical frequency, that is nothing but my omega c. In the normal you will say that is nothing but the cutoff frequency fc over there. Okay, so practical, what you can say, operational amplifier as integrator. How practically? Because ideally that operational amplifier will work as what you can say, integrator, but practically it will won't work. Why it is not work? Because what will happen if that resistor RF limit the low frequency gain to minus RF by R. Generally RF is equal to 10k. That is the 10R. That is nothing but RF if you are having is equal to 10R. If you are putting this thing, then what will happen? This if I am putting this RF as one of the resistor in parallel with this C, that is nothing but the yes, capacitor in feedback with feedback in this circuit. So the output is nothing but my output is equal to integration 1 by RC as it is into Vs dt, same as this one. So what is the difference in between this? What is the difference in between this? So we are getting that is nothing but the lower cutoff frequency by 1 divided by 2 pi RCF. That is nothing but the, if you want to find out lower cutoff frequency by putting these two values R and C, we are getting the lower cutoff frequency. What is the lower cutoff frequency in this one? Yeah, what is the lower cutoff frequency in this one? So practically integrator, there is one RF is there to what you can say, to reduce the noise and all that. We have to put the register in between these two. This is nothing but my practical integrator circuit over there. Okay, so till that we have seen the integrator circuit with its applications as a low pass filter. Then how, what exactly mean by low pass filter? So some disadvantages there in the integrated circuit that is overcome by practical. So we are putting practical RF in parallel with the integrator circuit to avoid the saturation, and RF is in feedback with the capacitance, that is nothing but a CF. So this is all about integrated circuit. So till now, thank you very much for attending this lecture. Thank you.